Hi, this is Train Room Gary, your host in Detroit, Michigan, USA. Today I'm going to show you the Menards new Red Owl grocery store. This grocery store has an inside to it. And when I was a kid, I used to go shopping at a Red Owl grocery store in Cedarville, Michigan. I'm going to take you out to lunch. We'll run some trains before lunch and also after lunch. So hang in there, rail fans. Let's have some fun.
Well, welcome to the Red Owl grocery store. Alright guys, let's take a lunch break. And nothing better than Mickey D's. Alright, we're in the parking lot. Let's go back to the drive-thru. We'll pick up this order and take it back to the train room, alias the man cave.
Hi, my name is Virginia. How can I help you?
Yes, I'll have the big Mac Jr. cook to order and a large Diet Coke in the Red Wings glass.
Okay.
Repeat it back to me. Let's see what we got here.
Okay, so large Diet Coke and Mac Jr. Anything else?
Make sure that's cooked to order.
Okay.
And because the sign doesn't say that on your little electronic board.
Okay.
And the Joe Louis glass.
Okay. Yes, sir. I'm gonna tell them that in the back.
Okay. Sounds good.
All right, $3.59.
Thank you. All right, let's see what we got here. If they got the order right or not.
Hi.
Hey, got the right glass. And straw.
Well,
Thank you.
now I had to park behind that line.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Thank you.
There you go.
That's the Mac Jr.?
Yep.
Okay, thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. All right, we're back in the train room. I got my fancy McDonald's Joe Louis glass from 1979 to 2017. This is the Joe Louis farewell season for the Detroit Red Wings. They're moving to a new arena next year. And of course, in the bag, we have what's called a Mac Jr. cooked to order. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Alright, when I was a kid I used to have lunch with Soupy Sales. Today we're going to have lunch with Train Room Gary. Let's take a look at this Big Mac Jr. here. And what it is, it's the secret sauce, some lettuce, cheese, and I don't know how many, I think it's like 500 calories, who knows. Alright, let's give the taste test. Okay.